Hey everyone, welcome back to Video Tech Tools. Today, I'm sharing top tips on how to use CapCut like a pro. Let's get started. First, import your footage. Tap the New Project button and select the clips you want to edit. It's easy and quick. Tip number 1, trim your clips. Use the split tool to cut out unwanted parts. Just tap on the clip, move the playhead, and hit split. Delete the sections you don't need. Tip number 2, add smooth transitions. Tap the transition icon between clips and choose from a variety of options to make your video flow seamlessly. Tip number 3, enhance with text. Tap text, then add text. Customize the font, color, and animation to make your message pop. Tip number 4, use effects and filters. Tap effects or filters to add creative touches to your video. Experiment with different styles to see what fits best. Tip number 5, add music and sound effects. Tap audio, then sounds to browse the music library or add your own tracks. Sync the music with your video for maximum impact. Once you're happy with your edit, it's time to export. Tap the export button in the top right corner. Choose your resolution and save your video. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more editing tips from Video Tech Tools. Happy editing and see you next time.